Hello. In this tutorial, we will teach you how you can create a shopping cart in PHP. First, we will include Bootstrap, CSS, and JS files. You can find those files from the link in the description. Bootstrap JS requires a jQuery to be included first. First, we will be displaying all products to user from database. Connect with database. Get all products. Loop through each product. We want to show 4 products in a row, so setting width to 3 as Bootstrap has 12 columns. We are displaying products in cart, but you can choose your style as well. Display product name, product price, and a form which when submit will add this product in shopping cart. It will have 2 hidden fields, one for quantity. By default, it will have one quantity and product unique ID. We have product code column, but you can use your own unique ID column. And a submit button. So I can see all products. On clicking add card button, it is redirected to this page. Now we need to create this file. First, we will connect with database because we will be saving products information in shopping cart. Get quantity and product code fields from form. Check if the cookies already exist. Then get the current cookie. Otherwise, return empty array string. Cookies can only be stored in string, so we are using JSON. Then we will decode the JSON string into PHP array. Get the product from database using its ID. MySQL fetch object will return single row. Then push that in cart array. Save product ID, quantity and product information from database. Convert the array into JSON string and save in cookies using setCookie function because cookies can only be saved in string. We are using cookies because they last longer than sessions. And then redirect the user back to products page. Now when I click, the page refreshes and it redirected back me here. But now I need to show a delete button if the product is already added in shopping cart. So get the shopping cart first before while loop. And inside the loop, check if that product is exist in cart using its ID. Now where you are displaying add to cart button, put a condition that if product exists in cart, then display a form to delete that product from cart. It will also have a hidden product ID field so the server will know which product needs to be removed from cart's array. And a submit button. Otherwise, we will display the add to cart form. So I added that product too. Now we need to create a file to delete this product from cart, but before let's clear the cookies from browser. In this file, we will simply get the product ID from form, get the shopping cart from cookies, create a new empty array for new values of cookie, loop through all cart items and add all products in new array, except the one which is selected to be deleted. Finally, update the cart using new array and make sure to convert the array into JSON string. Then redirect again to products page. So it is working fine. Now we need to create a page to show all shopping cart items with an option to update the quantity or delete the product. Create a simple link to shopping cart page. Include bootstrap. Create a container. Get all shopping cart items. Loop through each item. Display name of product. The cart price will be actual product price multiplied by quantity user has selected. A form to delete the product from cart. Submit button will be a simple cross which can be created using X key. And a form to update the cart. It will have the quantity which user can change. And a hidden input field for product ID. And a submit button. Add few products in cart. Now the delete function is already implemented. If I click on delete button of Ford Mustang, then it will be deleted. We need to implement a function to update the product's quantity from cart cookie. First create this file. Get product ID which needs to be updated. New quantity. Get the cart from cookie. Decode the JSON string into PHP array. Loop through all cart items. Search for that item using its ID and update its quantity. And set the cookie. Now the cart array will have the updated quantity for selected product and redirect back to cart page. You can see the price has been changed. One more thing you can do is to show a total of all cart items. In your cart file before the loop, create a variable named total and initialize it with 0. Inside the loop, increment this value by product price multiplied by product quantity in cart. We need to increment this, and at the end simply echo this variable. So that's how you can create a shopping cart in PHP using cookies.